From construction sites and demolition zones, the raw material arrives.
In the heart of industry, a transformation begins. Waste becomes strength.
Millions of tons of steel are discarded annually, waiting for a second life. Sorting is the first critical step to ensure purity. Powerful electromagnets separate ferrous steel from non-metallic waste. Efficiency is key. Every movement is calculated. The material begins its journey toward the shredder. It travels up the incline, destined for destruction.
Safety is the foundation of everything. Marcus leads the daily briefing, reminding the team to stay sharp.
Nature persists even here, a fleeting moment of life perched on the edge of the industrial abyss.
From chaos comes order, represented in the perfect, hypnotic geometry of the finished steel wire coils.
The lifeline of the plant arrives, a massive locomotive pulling the weight of industry behind it. Forged in fire, refined. 100% recyclable. Infinite possibilities. The cycle of steel never truly ends.
Conveyor belt speed at 80%. Maintaining target RPM.
Massive rollers compress the material for efficient processing. Inside, hammers spinning at high speed shatter the steel into fragments.
What emerges is frag, clean, shredded steel ready for melting.
Advanced separation systems purify the stream further.
Eddy currents repel non-ferrous metals, leaving only the steel.
Experienced eyes verify the quality, adding a human touch to the automated separation process.
This mountain of frag is the primary ingredient for new steel. In the laboratory, science takes over, ensuring every batch meets rigorous chemical standards. Once approved, the scrap is loaded into the massive charging bucket, ready for the intense heat ahead. High above the yard, the crane lifts the burden, a suspended mountain of steel ready for transformation. We enter the melt shop, the dark, beating heart of the steel mill, where
Charge begins as tons of cold scrap are dropped directly into the waiting inferno below us.
massive graphite electrodes descend slowly through the roof, signaling that raw power is about to be unleashed.
With a single decisive button press, the operator initiates the sequence, unleashing the dormant energy within.
100 million watts of raw electricity arc through the scrap, creating a violent thunderstorm indoors.
Temperatures rapidly climb to 3,000 degrees Celsius, turning solid steel into flowing liquid fire instantly.
Inside the furnace, the solid scrap collapses, surrendering to the heat and becoming a molten bath.
Supersonic oxygen is injected to burn off impurities, creating a fierce reaction and a protective slag layer. Liquid steel cascades into the waiting ladle, a stream of pure light pouring through the darkness.
Critical alloys are added to the stream, adjusting the steel's properties to meet precise engineering specifications. Gas bubbles gently stir the molten mix, ensuring uniformity and temperature balance throughout the ladle. The ladle touches down on the turret, rotating into position with the grace of a mechanical giant. Protected from the air, liquid steel flows invisibly into the tundish, a reservoir that feeds the molds. The tundish, the steel is distributed into multiple strands, beginning its transition to solid form. Copper molds oscillate rapidly, a mechanical heartbeat that prevents the steel from sticking to the walls.
High-pressure water sprays hit the emerging strand, freezing the shape instantly amid.
Powerful withdrawal rollers grip the steel, pulling it forward and straightening the solidifying core.
Torches clamp onto the moving strand, cutting it into specific lengths with a clean blue flame.
The result is a steelet. Each billet is stamped with a unique ID, ensuring complete traceability from melt to market. They roll onto the cooling bed, a rhythmic tide of fading red steel. Weight-taped, the steel must be reborn in fire. It enters the reheating furnace. Soaking at 1200 degrees ensures the steel is malleable and uniform to the core. It emerges soft, glowing, and ready to roll, shedding its skin of oxidation. High-pressure water blasts away the oxidation scale, leaving a pristine surface for rolling. The roughing stand begins the reduction process, squeezing the massive billet into a longer shape. Thinner, longer, faster. The steel transforms into a glowing snake, racing through the mill. Water cools the rolls as the speed increases, creating a battle of fire and water at every stand. Vertical loops relieve tension, allowing the glowing steel to dance gracefully between high-speed stands. Entering the finishing block, the steel accelerates to a blur, emerging as a precision-engineered rod.
Microscopic precision rolls the signature ribs into the surface, ensuring the steel grips concrete effectively.
A sudden blast of high-pressure water quenches the surface, locking in strength while keeping the core flexible. Flying shears synchronize perfectly with the moving line, slicing the rod to length in the blink of an eye. The glowing rod shoots onto the cooling bed, sliding to a graceful halt as it begins to stabilize. The walking beam mechanism breathes rhythmically, marching thousands of rods forward as they transition from fire to stone.
Heat radiates away in shimmering waves, the vibrant red fading to gray as the steel settles into its final form.
Mechanical arms gather the cooled rods, aligning them with satisfying precision into uniform layers ready for the shear.
The massive cold shear descends with immense force, cutting the entire bundle to exact customer specifications instantly.
A single sample is automatically diverted, destined for the laboratory to prove the batch's structural integrity. In the quiet of the lab, the sample is locked into the tensile machine to test its ultimate limits.
Under immense tension, the steel begins to stretch and neck, fighting against the force before the final failure. On the line, automated arms cradle the loose rods, gathering them into a perfectly shaped hexagonal bundle. High-speed machines wrap and twist steel wire around the bundle, securing the heavy load for its journey. A robotic arm applies the final tag, a digital passport ensuring total traceability from our furnace to the construction site. The finished bundle soars through the warehouse,
ready to be delivered, and become the backbone of modern infrastructure.
Forging a sustainable future. The company sign stands weathered but proud, a symbol of endurance in a harsh environment.
Mountains of scrap rise and fall like tides, a time lapse revealing the ceaseless appetite of the